Hey guys, what's going on? We're working on Dakota's sled again tonight. We ran into a couple problems the other day, so stay tuned, see what we did to solve our issues here. Here's a little sneak peek.
Alright, so we're back here. It's a couple days later now because we had a little bit of an issue with these panels. We put paint stripper on here, and as you can see, it did not come off very well. We've done it 4 times now and also sanded them, wiped them down with paint thinner and lacquer thinner, and this is all we can get. And the black vinyl that we were going to wrap these panels with will not stick. You'll see it coming up in a little bit here, but we've got something else kind of figured out in the meantime for this. And then as for the bumpers, for some reason with those, the paint did not want to stick to them either. So even though we sanded them, cleaned them, but now we got them all painted back up, looking good. Probably gonna get them on here tonight and check back in with you in a little bit. All right, so we're gonna start here with Dakota's sled. We're gonna take these plastic clips out of here because we were searching around on Facebook Marketplace and we found some nice new panels over here. They're not new, but they're already pre-wrapped. They're in much better shape than the other ones, and
only 150 bucks.
Yeah,
Can't go wrong for 150 bucks. And they look a little better than what came off.
Ones.
So you don't think your dad can get those little bracket things I need? Not ready yet, are we?
He's helping too. Alright, flip it over. That looks crusty.
That's gonna be a fucking haunt.
Perfect, set that aside.
Want to unclip those?
Oh, my dash doesn't work on my Ski-Doo.
What?
She said fuck you today and stopped working.
Okay, so it wraps well.
And then we just gotta figure out how this guy comes out here. Feels like it's just a...
Hopefully my fucking thing works after, eh? My dash. Nice.
Oh,
See myself getting sprayed.
Like a squirter, eh?
Saves on a wrap. It's not the best wrap, but it's good for this year.
There we go.
Fucking right. Already spent all the fucking money on a sled.
Key switch. One piece at a time.
But you went fucking ham on these holes.
Fucking whole sash or whatever this idiot was up to, but yet again, better than what we got.
Crazy, just snug.
Clean that.
That there?
All of it.
Oh, those are hairy.
Yeah, man, she's fucking good.
Oh, the hair never killed nobody.
There's another outlet down there too.
Found a heated visor.
Yeah, there's nothing plugged into it though.
Oh. Do you have a heated visor?
I gotta get one. I don't have a hookup for it either. We gotta wire it.
That's easy. You should have an auxiliary port somewhere.
Nice.
screws.
Fucking skitter.
Yeah, they're bad. Probably because all the freaking doors are open.
Steven Decker.
Okay, easy.
Gotta be
Oh,
fixed.
fuck. One will be fine.
Oh yeah, look at that. Now this can get installed. There you go.
Oh yeah, I hated that about my cat. I always
Yeah.
fucking forgot to do
And
it.
so, yeah.
I'd go fucking drive down the road. Oh, no dash.
Back bumper's on, holds being lifted.
That's super low.
Yeah, but you have to put. Hold on,
I'm gonna be so cold though.
Let's get some.
Man, you seen the size of my windshield?
Yeah, how cold do you get?
Basically non-existent. There you go, Dakota. You can start popping some panels on, buddy. You need a bolt here, a screw.
Oh, shit.
Panels don't line up.
Settle down. Settle
Yeah, it's because that one's broke.
Oh, yeah.
It's loose at the back.
This goes under. Up.
Don't fit, wiggle it a bit. Gotta put the rivets in on sleds, lighter weight, right?
Yep. All about lightweight.
Nope, do it again.
Oh, no.
And it's not in back here. Hold on, hold on, hold on.
There's some in those panels wherever they ended up.
I have one in my pocket.
Oh, that would help.
Because you left it on my
Yeah, Huey, I like that, man.
These are what Briar's supposed to have for me.
What? Oh, yeah.
Ton of these.
Oh, here, you need this too.
Not on this one, but on the other ones I do.
Look at that.
That one doesn't really click.
Just twist it till it stops.
Yeah, because
I
you
did.
need this, dude. You need
I
this.
thought it had it.
You need. But I mean, still, $150 already wrapped.
Yeah. Can't go wrong.
Yeah.
Really can't. It's the wrap's growing on me too.
It is. I like it.
I actually don't mind it at all.
And it matches the seat. It's sick.
That's
too.
what I like the most. Match because this, even the shut off, my key and seat is red.
I like
Yeah.
these fucking things. I think these look cool. And it just
Yeah,
makes it
sit
look
weird.
fucking.
This one fucking doesn't.
No, it doesn't work with a shit.
That lock. Camera died last night before we finished putting the panels on here, but we did end up getting them on. Okay, so we did get these panels used. We found them on Facebook Marketplace, $150, not bad. Came with frog skins everywhere. They have been modded to have clutch cooling kits and exhaust cooling kits installed, holes drilled. Okay, makes it look a little. It looks all right, but when the sled's not moving very fast, we will get a little more airflow into cooling those clutches in the belt. Now the wrap does match the seat very nicely. Big fan of that. And we do have the windshield here. We're gonna fix the crack in it, and we may put it back in after we wrap it. We'll see. We might just leave it like this. Not really 100% sure yet. We're going to wrap the old windshield for sure and see what it looks like. If we like it, we'll put it back on. If we don't, we're going to leave it like this. Here's the other side. Again, we have the same holes drilled in it for cooling, for the exhaust. Okay. Holes in the back. And these panels, you can see, they are a little rough. We can see that it was cracked and plastic welded. But that's alright. For 150 bucks, they're a lot better than what we had. So guys, if you like this video, please leave a like if you made it all the way to the end. And get subscribed, because we will be picking up a 2023 backcountry within the week. Okay, so you'll see videos on a backcountry shortly. One other little sneak peek here. We got the Summit here. Skids out of it. I'm going to redo some sliders. Gonna change the track. Stay tuned. These are coming.